Welcome to Brain Abundance. If you want the latest and most complete nutritional technology developed by doctors to increase your intelligence and improve your memory, your mind, and even your money situation, you're about to make a smart choice. In a moment, you'll see how the Breakthrough Brain Fuel Plus formula is the healthy way to feed your brain. It's the all-natural, organic, nutritional supplement that can also be a fantastic financial supplement for you too. First, the brain part of Brain Abundance. Brain Fuel Plus helps you nourish your brain with a clinically studied, unique formulation of 13 powerful ingredients. They're scientifically engineered to increase your memory, support focus, reduce stress and anxiety, help you sleep better, and much more. After 2 years of research, there's nothing like it on the market today. And now the abundance part. For the first time ever, Brain Abundance has combined the first and only breakthrough brain supplement of its kind with a business opportunity that lets just about anybody achieve success with the world's most powerful compensation plan. By joining us, you can at the least get your Brain Fuel Plus at the lowest possible price, or get it paid for. And you can even earn life-changing income to live the abundant lifestyle you desire. In fact, not only does Brain Abundance boast the most generous compensation program in the home-based business industry, they've also put together the easiest to grow, most duplicatable system you'll find anywhere. Plus, their no-brainer marketing program and easy two-step system practically brings the business right to you. Unlike any other program you've seen, it truly is working smarter, not harder. And it's just one of the reasons why Brain Abundance is predicted and destined to be the next giant in the industry and your ground floor opportunity. Start smart, fuel your brain and your income. Simply click on the box below.